to everyone out there. I'm Ernest and I'd like to welcome each and every one of us to Ernest Sciences and Mathematics TV channel. Today I'll have a preview on the concept of a human anatomy and physiology, and then this basically is going to be forming a broader subject that is going to be assisting us try to understand basically the formation of our body or the structure of our body and how it functions. Now, in a sense, I'd like to encourage our members also to be, of course, checking out on various types of information and other material which might assist us or which is going to be relevant for us, since some of the topics which we are going to cover might not be all that, of course, expanded as such, in a sense that we'll need additional information which might be beyond some of our topics of discussion, and that, of course, is going to be playing a fundamental role in trying to assist us, of course, come on board on various other topics which we might need some of the expertise which I've basically mentioned. Now, in a sense, I'm going to be looking at this aspect of the human anatomy and physiology through a range of topics, and these are going to be covering various areas which I've particularly mentioned in some of our topics, which are going to be the characteristics of particularly living organisms. Now, we had said that basically the essence of life is going to be accompanying some of the processes which are going to ensure that this life is sustained, and this is going to be forming the backbone of these physiological processes. Now, we had mentioned that for the essence of life to be supported, there are various other subjects which we are going to, of course, encounter, and this include the concept of reproduction, nutrition, growth, respiration, locomotion, gaseous exchange, and some of the accompanying processes which we are going to come across various topics in our study. Now, in a sense, we had said that this is going to be assisting us in a general way of trying to acquire knowledge from a life perspective, and it's going to assist us gain some of the skills which we might need in order to tackle some of the environmental challenges that we're going to come across, apart from them creating a way for our career path. Now, in a sense, we're going to see that such a study of our bodies in terms of this complex system of organs is going to be assisting us in order to identify various types of specialized cells. And of course, we're going to appreciate in an overall way how we can, of course, monitor the various processes which is going to be assisting us understand our working of course, their body system. Now, we are going also to be looking at the tail end of this specific discussions, part of what we refer to as disorders of these different parts of the body. And these are going to be in form of identifying the various types of perhaps ailments and diseases, some of the symptoms which are going to be accompanying these specific ailments. And we shall look at some of the ways in which they are treatable or they can be controlled, in a sense that, of course, this is going to be making our lives, of course, improve or be better. I'd like to encourage our members to be checking description boxes of various videos which we are going to be posting, especially on YouTube. And via social media, I'll be checking out for other specific, I'll be putting out other specific links which are going to be associated with our specific topics under discussion. And this is going to be assisting us try to identify various areas of our study and try to have a coherent way of understanding this aspect of the study of life and the processes associated with it. So kindly check our description boxes, as I've said. Encourage more members to subscribe or also engage us in various platforms, as I've said. And I'd like to wish each and every one of us good luck and the best of course, experiences in each of your endeavors out there. Kindly check our various links and check us in our next video. Bye. God bless you.